Hi everyone, today we have got the very last picture on this page to do, and this is celery. Now me and celery are not good friends, I have to say. It's not really a veggie I eat a lot of, but I'm quite happy to colour it. I'm going to grab my May green to start with. I can't see it in my glare of my light, but I think that it's greener at the top than the bottom, so I'm going to be careful with this first layer to try and get that impression. So I'm going to put more at the top and then just see how I'm doing lines, because celery is very liney. It's got long fibres going down each stalk, so that's what I'm trying to imitate. I've got a really lumpy book here. I'm trying my hardest. Okay, now I'm looking at pictures, and actually it does tend to go a bit further down to the bottom than I have done in my picture, like that, and the leaves are similar, so I'm just going to go over those as well. Now we could just leave it here, but we'll grab a darker colour and we'll add a few little bits and bobs just to finish it off. I'm thinking to get a little more variation in colour, we'll grab this earth green yellowish and we'll just do the tips even darker, particularly in that gap there, and also think about where they're overlapping. So down there, a little bit along here. Let's give it a slightly more three-dimensional look to it, like that. This bit, I'll take that all the way down. There we go. You know, that it really is it for the celery. It's very straightforward. It's not very, it's a bit wonky. But I'm going to show you the whole page. I want to say well done if you followed me and you coloured every single picture. Whoa, so sorry. On this page, I'm going to zoom out so we can have a look at all of the pictures. It's a bit of an odd angle, so I'm going to tip it slightly. So we started off with that pepper, and then we moved through all of these different fruits and vegetables. Wow, look at that. It's great fun. You can see my lemons as well. So well done, and thank you to everyone who followed right through and did the whole page. And I would love to see them. If you go on to Instagram, I am Rachel Henderson Colouring on Instagram, so you can find me there. There's a link in the description anyway here, so you can find it. And if you actually, you don't need to find me at all. I don't know what I'm saying. You go onto Instagram, you can, if you put hashtag Johanna Basford, then I will see your pictures. But if you have been following along, do tag me at Rachel Henderson Colouring. That's what I'm trying to say. If you tag me, then I'll see your picture, and that'll be really exciting to see anyone who's had a go and coloured along, especially if you've done that peach and had a better go at it than I have. Anyway, that's it. That's the page done. And thank you so much for watching and bearing with me while I've enjoyed colouring all these fruit and veg. I preferred it, I have to say, to the cake page, but I don't know about you. Maybe you prefer cakes and goodies, but I do like my veg. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching. I will stop waffling now. Have a lovely day and happy colouring.